Welcome back, guys and girls, to the Wastelands Raceway Garage. Today we've got a build video for you. It is the MG Metro 6R4. Got this from Hot Wheels versus Matchbox UK. Chap I met a couple of weeks ago, and he liked some stuff off the Etsy page. So I said you can pay me in cars, and here we go. So it apparently supposed to have a tow bar on the back, but it had broken off. Now I can't see it ever casted on there. So yeah, never mind, we'll sort something out, I'm sure. There's the car itself, very well made, very sturdy little thing. Rubber wheels. This is one of the premium car culture transports. Came apart relatively easy. They are more solid castings than the normal wheels, the normal cars, sorry. So it took a little bit more drilling. The detail inside, again, fantastic. You don't see it. No one's really supposed to take these apart because they are kind of collectors. But hey, when have I ever done anything that I'm supposed to? I don't know whether to keep this bit on or I'll put it the right way up, I suppose. I think it needs to stay on. Just off just doesn't look quite as good. The trailer, it's just going to be a simple rush job on the trailer. Don't need anything major, super duper, but it does fit other cars, so it's going to be used quite a lot. In classic, slightly disgruntled Al fashion, I did a load of stuff off camera. A couple of shots of it, just bits and pieces on there, and then as if by magic painted up, well, starting to paint it up, I suppose, filled in the top. And there we've got the decals on, got the paint down, got the main colours down, got some exhaust and some engines off of Etsy, which are fantastic. I'm going to start popping those on my builds. The wheels are literally painted black and then wiped off the rims, which gave it that lovely white wall effect. Hook made out of a paperclip. Couple more decals on the van. Little zombie giving us a wave, because that's what you have in the wasteland. Skulls and zombies. We've got loads of stuff on the top of that van, everything you will need for travelling around the wasteland and competing in races. We've got acetylene torch canister, some suspension bits, tyres, bits of armour, toolbox, as you do. Everything, as I said, everything you need to start winning races. And then a little bit more wizardry for you. It's finished, rusted up, tops all painted. I really like this. It's going to be featured quite a lot on the channel. It's going to be used to move stuff around just in the background. It's a pretty bit of kit. Nice simple rush job, as I said, on the trailer. Just painted it black, dry brushed it silver, and then used some magic, and there it is. And then on to the little speed demon herself. I love this little thing. Wasn't too sure to start with. Painted it green, thought don't like that, so changed the green. Still didn't like it. Then I stuck those exhausts in. I was like, yes, that makes it Wastelands. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thank you so much to everyone that subscribed. All 1009 of you at the time of making this. Completely surpassed our expectations when we started this for a giggle, but we're not going to stop. So if you guys want to support the channel, we've got the Etsy pages, and until next time, goodbye.